Hey everyone, this is Kenny. I haven't been on my YouTube channel in a while, but I want to come and show you what I do. I got cantaloupe here, got peaches that was old, and so this is what I do when I get ready to make my juice for my garden. I'm starting a little late, but it's going to be at the end of September, getting ready for the fall seasoning. So I got some cantaloupes right here that went bad, and some peaches that were just out of that wasn't good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take them and I'm gonna put them into my food processor here, grind them up, and then once I grind them up, I'm gonna add little bit more water in with it, get it all juiced up. And this is gonna be my basis that I put into my containers when I put into my garden. This plant that I have behind me right here is a sweet potato plant that is growing. So it will be getting some. This is I got my watermelon and other things in this one. It's not actually came up yet, but I do have that. And also over here on this side, I have a white potato here, and these here that are lined up here, they'll have has um, bell pepper in it. This got bell pepper also. Then jalapeno peppers here, and these two, and then these here are my plums trees, my cherry plum trees. Over here in the corner, I have a sweet potato as well that is doing real good and get ready to come up. So I'm actually making them in the house first, get them all ready, and then I'm going to transfer these outside to my outside garden. I got my sweet potatoes that sits to the side. It's on my side by my carport. So sweet potatoes and white potato will go over there. Everything else will go out in my front yard as well. So I'm expanding my front yard. I'm actually expanding my garden. This is why I'm doing the juicing now. I'm gonna each time I'm gonna add more juice, more different ones where I can put them into containers, and then I'm gonna take those containers and I'm gonna take some other containers and I'm gonna put them inside between my garden. And this is what is gonna help juice my gardens. These here, the rhymes part here, I'm not gonna grind these up. These gonna actually go in the container and they will sit inside the container and they would just break down over time so they can have a great harvest. This is what I done with my tomatoes and my sweet potatoes that I did this year, and as well as my potatoes that I did, as well as jalapeno peppers and banana peppers. So as well as my corn. So I did all of this and I done it up. So if you want to figure out how you do this, just come on over to my channel. I know it's been a while, but come over to my channel, like, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube channel as I'm get ready to do my garden and get everything prepped and ready for my fall garden that is about to come up, where I will have collard greens and different stuff as well that will come up. And then I also going to purchase me some trees that is these juices are going to go with as well that I'm going to put out in the later part of fall for the beginning of the next spring year so that they will come up. So please like, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube channel as we continue to go forward and get everything done. And I thank you guys for hanging with me while I went through my difficulties. Now back up. And so I'm going to be broadcasting more and bringing more insight and more everything else too as well. So please subscribe, like, follow me on my YouTube channel. And this is Kenny, and thank you for following me.